tend to talk to people about the future of AI, and I was doing jiu-jitsu the other day, and I was talking to this with a few different people there, and one of the guys is an electrician, and we're just joking, say, hey, you're going to be the next millionaire, because everyone's saying that electricians and plumbers are going to be the millionaires because most of the work is going to be replaced by artificial intelligence, but the manual works are not going to be replaced. And then I came across this week something very interesting. Companies in California, they're actually paying people to record themselves doing like house chores. They are like doing the laundry, and they have like a camera, and they're getting paid to do that and send those recordings to these companies. And they're actually using the robots to train them on how to do this well. So who knows, in 10 years' time, these robots, they're going to be doing most of the manual jobs as well, powered by AI. So you have robotics, and you have the artificial intelligence, which controls those robotics, and this becomes and goes to another level.
Looking for a side gig? You've seen humanoid robots do backflips, cartwheels, and kung fu. Now their next big mission is cleaning. But first, they'll have to learn how, using videos of humans doing it first. That's created a new kind of gig economy where people are paid by the hour to record themselves doing odd jobs around the house. All around the world, thousands of workers are strapping cameras to their heads before starting on a list of basic tasks like cutting fruit, cleaning countertops, and watering plants. Then the footage is marked up so that robots can translate the visual cues into physical responses. This type of human data is turning into a multi-billion-dollar industry, since companies say it's going to take billions of hours of training before robots can be deployed into people's homes. Analysts say that the data from these videos isn't as effective as having humans guide robots through the tasks themselves, but it's a lot cheaper and faster to collect. As AI advances, developers are combining human and virtual training methods, all in the name of building the world's most advanced Android.
This is what I was seeing the other day, and it's already there. So it's a place in LA in which they're actually serving, as you could see there. We have the little robots serving people food, and it's just like insane. So that's the thing. Okay, intellectual jobs are going to be replaced by artificial intelligence, but manual jobs are not. But hey, that's actually not 100% right. It's going to obviously take a while because technology takes some time to advance and implement these, all over the globe. We have areas we have higher adoption of technology, but the technology in AI is advancing exponentially, and we cannot say that in the future we won't have robots like this doing the laundry in our houses, or or cooking for us. Who knows? Or I don't know, just going for a walk with a dog. Who knows? Who knows? So this is the area that it's a little bit fascinating, terrifying at the same time.